Looks like Red Oxx about 15 years ago.
Yep. I'm finally starting to feel my pain. Your pain.
Very nice to meet you. Any cute?
This is twins are bad luck.
Yeah.
Like
Until maybe when they reach 6 months, then from there they will look for foster parents
Okay.
or to give them to their grandmother.
Look at it.
Do you have a hard time finding foster parents? No.
No, we just
Supposed to get her earring. That's not nice to do that.
You want to eat something? You want to
That's so cute. Big white guys, aren't we? Sorry.
A boy and a
Kind
girl.
of freaks people out. Trust me, you're not the only one.
they're all boys.
We're both boys.
Yeah, boy.
That's good. Paint the wall, yeah. But see, I'm not an artist. I can't help you. I can't paint. I can't draw a circle.
Today, we delivered 300 Mossi Nets to a local hospital in Rundu. And these nets will be distributed through the rooms, because although the patients could be there being treated for some other things, the threat of malaria is very strong. And this net that goes around the bed will help keep the mosquitoes that carry the malaria disease off of them. Can you imagine going to the hospital for a basic staph infection and picking up malaria while you're there?